To install our surface-mounted privacy lock onto our aluminum-framed glass barn doors, follow these 6 quick steps. Step 1. Completely install your barn door per the instructions given. You can also reference our installation video, which is shown here and linked in the description below. Step 2. Insert the strike through the rear receiver cap and into the hole cut out on the rear side of the door. On the front side of the door, install the front receiver cap, securing with the provided screw bushing and hollow screw. Use the provided Allen wrench to hand tighten. Do not over tighten. Last, screw the decorative cap over the screw bushing until finger tight. Step 3. Using our paper template, we're going to prep the jamb for the lock. Slide the door to the closed position and using the paper template provided, align the template on the jamb at the height of the installed door receiver. You want this alignment as precise as possible. Using painter's tape to protect your wall finish, tape the paper template to the wall. With an 1/8 inch drill bit, drill pilot holes for the lock into the jamb on the 4 marked locations. Now you can remove the template. Step 4. Install the thumb lever onto the lock using the 2 thumb piece screws with the Phillips screwdriver. If you need to change the handing of the lock from left to right or vice versa, refer to Step 4 of the written instructions. Step 5. Attach the mounting plate to the door jamb using the 4 combo screws. Now you can install the lock body and secure with the 4 installation screws. Next, we install the lock cover and secure with the cover screw. Note, it's easiest to first slide the front part of the cover over the body and then push the back of the cover to snap in place. Step 6. Test the lock for correct functionality. Using the emergency release key, simply push the key through the center hole in the receiver, which will push the lock bolt back to unlock the door. And that completes our surface-mounted privacy lock installation. Hit the subscribe button so you're updated on new products and features.